Well, I think I'm done. Ah, crap. I'm seconds away from getting this other tire on. I got this jacked up. The car's running. But look, I'm seconds away from this too. There we go, folks. Another car repair job done. Bravo, Crystal. Oh, for the love of God. It won't start again today. After I got it started yesterday, I drove around town doing errands, never shut it off for about an hour with a lot of driving time. So, and the battery's less than a year old. So it looks like a new battery now. Just an update on the car repairs. I thought I was done. Here I am at Walmart, getting a battery and changing it in the parking lot. Just another update. Oh, ow. There's a little bitty part right down here that holds the battery on. It's a tiny little thing. Keep it from moving around. Oh, they don't leave you any clearance room. Dang it. Okay, it goes that way. Oops, I think I'm missing something. Oops. Whatever. Oh, I'm not. Go.